Why vapor barrier need to be used when installing waterproof vinyl floors? This video is for informational purpose only. Refer to flooring manufacturer's installation instructions. What does waterproof mean in vinyl plank flooring? Vinyl plank flooring is waterproof from top to bottom. Therefore, any moisture or spills on top of floor will not damage your vinyl flooring. Let's take a look at how slab moisture affects vinyl plank flooring. This is what happens when floor is installed on concrete slab with high moisture, without vapor barrier. Moisture from the ground can travel up through the concrete and damage vinyl planks. Floor will start to cup and separate at joints. So, how does a vapor barrier can protect vinyl flooring? A vapor barrier installed over concrete protects flooring by preventing moisture infiltration, minimizing the risk of mold growth and preserving flooring. What is a vapor barrier? Often it is mistaken with padding. Most common used vapor barriers are 6mm poly sheeting or a roll-on product. Consult with your professional floor installer on best application to protect your vinyl plank flooring.